Trends, trending, what should we be doing? What are we looking at? What's new? What's fresh? What's hot and what's not? I believe trends are something that should maybe just inspire you or slightly lead you to a different area. It certainly doesn't mean you've got to throw everything out and start afresh. Let's have a look at some of the ideas that I've found from 2020 that still I think will make a big impact on your home 2021. Geometric patterns, quite like the lampshades behind me, actually add a little bit of perspective because it's usually something that's born from a repeated pattern or clean, simple lines like the zigzags on my lampshades here. But if you introduce a little bit of geometric here and there, it can actually give you a break of pace. So if your room is very busy, those simple lines will give you a calming atmosphere. Texture is all important, and whether it's your wallpaper or whether it's a brick feature wall or a worktop, think about bringing texture, things that look as if they're made from slate or woven materials, anything that looks as if, a bit like my jumper, it's got almost if you scratched it, it's got a texture to it. That way you'll introduce a different form and have the perfect background for things like velvets and silks. So whether it's a feature wall of brick or whether it's a textured wallpaper, get a little texture in. It really does bring the changes. Now, it's a case of all that glitters is a little bit gold. And some of the blues I have in this interior are brought alive by, who would have thought it, gold. Not keeping it in the past we all have with chromes and silvers, but adding little spots of gold into the design, whether it's the piping of a cushion, the bottom of a vase, or even just the highlight of a picture frame. You can get a little bit of bang for your buck by introducing some gold into your interior. It's super for bringing that all-important oh wow to your room. In the winter months or in any month, yep, here I am, inspired by what's outside coming inside. And a lot of fabrics at the moment are inspired by the beautiful botanics growing out of my head, but that's got me thinking. Botanical leaves, leaf patterns, the use of green and the use of different textures of different veins and movement can really breathe life into your interior. So whether you want to freshen up a kitchen or make your bedroom a little bit more earthy and relaxed, look at some of the fabulous botanical prints that are out there just now. Botanicals. It does what it says. Now with any trend, I don't think we should just stick to one of them. I think we take the best of what's out there and form a blend of the trend. So whether it's a textured wallpaper or some gold or some geometrics, just instill and install some of these little key features to give your room a new breath of fresh air. Give your room the oh wow and get the right blend of trends.